Hello everyone, it's Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. Thank you for joining us on another fantastic week on the Fluid Art Express with my amazing art family. I hope you just watched the amazing Chambee Fluid Art, always bringing something beautiful to the Fluid Art Express. And this week's special guest, Hanny Conning, Fluid Art. Thank you so much for joining us, Hanny. I love your work, and so I'm absolutely honoured that you're here with us today to join us. Okay, so today I found in the bottom of the pile this big triangle, and I thought I haven't used those for ages. So what I'm going to do is I'm a radial in the centre, some swipes around the edges, and let's bring this one to life. So put your feet up, start toe tapping. I know Wombat's got them tunes going. Let's go.
Tend to give him way too much credit. Guess I'm a little too empathetic. Don't need to waste my time trying to prove I'm enough for you. I just happen to make it a habit. I was just fine before I met ya. Don't think that I was counting seconds. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Hopping around, hit the excuses. Read all the lines, yeah, I see through it. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby, I'm fine. Baby, I'm fine. I'm VIP. Gonna take a lot to get to me. I'm fine. RSVP. Don't interrupt my energy. Doing alright, living a daydream. No, I don't need you to wait me. Better not waste my time. Better be committed, cause baby, I'm fine. Your empty words left me distracted. Guess all this time you were just acting. Rehearsed your lines before you left intentions at the door. Go ahead, accuse me of overreacting. I was just fine before I met ya. Don't think that I was counting seconds. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Hopping around, hit the excuses. Read all the lines, yeah, I see through it. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. I'm VIP. Gonna take a lot to get to me. I'm fine. RSVP. Don't interrupt my energy. Doing alright, living a daydream. No, I don't need you to wait me. Better not waste my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Baby I'm fine. I'll be alright, with or without you. Don't waste my time. Feeding me lies, I know you're about to. I don't need to wait no more. I don't even miss you. I'm already out the door. No, it's not an issue. Trust me, baby, I'm fine. I'm VIP. Gonna take a lot to get to me. I'm fine. RSVP. Don't interrupt my energy. Doing alright, living a daydream. No, I don't need you to wait me. Better not waste my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. You know I'm fine. Living a daydream. Baby I'm fine. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine.
New day coming, got my soul running. Look to bluer skies. Heartbeat drumming, got my blood humming. Feels like I'm a fly. I'm ready for it. I see the clouds breaking over my head, ground shaking under my feet. I got the sun shining on every step, dancing down every street. Yeah, it feels good to be me. Yeah, it feels good to be me. It feels good to be me. please. Get free, free, do what you do. Go on and be what you please. Get free, free, move how you move. Go on and be what you please. I see the clouds breaking over my head, ground shaking under my feet. I've got the sun shining on every step, dancing down every street. Yeah, it feels good to be me. Whoa. Yeah, it feels good to be me. Oh, it feels good to be me. Life has been crazy, just wanna be okay. How can I pick up the pieces when everything breaks with every day? I'm getting older, I feel the weight upon my shoulders. I'm strong enough, I'll rise above. It's all gonna be okay. If I can be anything, I think I'm gonna be me. I know I gotta be me. Nowhere else I wanna go, no one else I'd rather be. I think I'm gonna be me. I think I'm gonna be me. Everything's changing, just trying to navigate. Oh, I keep on believing I'm gonna find my way with every day. I'm getting older, I feel the weight upon my shoulders. I'm strong enough, I'll rise above. It's all gonna be okay. If I can be anything, I think I'm gonna be me.
Alrighty, so let's take you in for a close-up reel. I think that turned out pretty darn cool. Digging these little blue cells with the little white outlines. They're really cute. Sorry, get excited. But yeah, I think that looks pretty cool. So something different to do with your radials on a triangle. Put some swipes on those edges and just give some really cool, unique effects. I thought it turned out pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed too. And that is it for me this week, guys. So until next week, take care, stay safe. As always, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Go get messy.
Me. I know I gotta be me, me, me. There's nowhere else I wanna go, no one else I'd rather be. I think I'm gonna be me.